Kia ora guys. This week I was so busy. It was not fun. I had a lot of work to do, and it was kind of work I'm not a big fan of. So I only managed to get like 1 hour in of painting, or roughly like 1 hour, and so this is the video that shows what I did. I love pumpkins, I love growing pumpkins, I love drawing pumpkins, I love painting pumpkins, but I do not like eating pumpkins. This was really fun, but you'll see that I just really was not thinking properly with the first few pumpkins. My brain was just not there. I just had so much of my mind focused on my work that I just made some questionable decisions. I don't even know what colour I put. I think I put blue, but it was green, and I just no. And there's always donkey everywhere, always. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what came over me. Yellow. And then again, I don't know, what is that? I don't know, I have no idea. Okay, let's restart. And then I was like, let's think properly. Okay, just limit it. Pastel, your favourite colours. Don't do every colour. Pink, green, beautiful, always beautiful together. Choose one shadow colour, not 3, just 1 for each pumpkin. Add the highlight. It looks so much better than the other pumpkins. Thankfully with acrylic you can paint over a thing, so that's what I did. This one's definitely looking a lot better. I feel like this one is a successful one. I was pretty happy with the colours, and it, like here, perfect, looking good. But then, yeah, I don't even know what was happening here. I don't remember what my logic was here, but I mean, it looked okay. I love this gold paint so much. It's crazy. I haven't seen another one that's like it, that has so much shimmer and is thick, and it's crazy, honestly. I definitely recommend it. I need to buy some more, actually, I'm running out. Sometimes it's just good to do a simple, spooky face on a pumpkin and not try to force myself to be too creative with my designs, or else I think I just end up making more mistakes when I push myself too hard. Now I think that it ended up looking pretty good, this pumpkin, and it kind of reminded me of like a sunset colour, so I thought it would be cool to do constellations on it. I just ended up googling it because I don't really know any constellations off by heart, honestly, so yeah, I think this is like what is in the sky often in November. Now, seeing as these pumpkins were painted in a very like cute colour scheme, I was like, okay, they didn't have cute faces, and I'm not really well versed in cute expressions, cute faces, but I just did whatever, because it's sometimes it's just better to do whatever than to overthink things. So this next pumpkin was definitely giving me the Great Wave of Kanagawa vibes, with the kind of peachiness and the blue. Yeah, so I thought that would be cool just to do my little version of that. Naturally, I added a moon. It didn't need to be there, obviously, but I just think it looks more mystical whenever you put a moon anywhere. I didn't really have any good ideas or just creative ideas, so I just decided to do some Polynesian designs, since I'm Polynesian and it's something that I would like to understand better. I know a few of the meanings behind each design, but I don't really know it well enough to create a story with it, which is what you do when you want to get a tattoo or a tattoo. And I would love to get a tattoo one day with the Polynesian markings and some Dutch or German stuff just from my grandfather's side. I come from a very mixed background, and I think that you can kind of get a glimpse of that in my art, because I'm not very consistent with style, and I just change things up a lot. Generally speaking, I just like a lot of different things, and I feel that a lot even with my ethnicity, that I will sort of gravitate towards one or the other a little bit more depending on just what's going on in life and what I'm interested in regards to storytelling. It's so satisfying filling it with gold paint. Ooh, so nice. Results, and we're done. Here are all the pumpkins I did. Let me know in the comments which one's your favourite. I fixed a few colour schemes here and there. I left some just to deal with because it doesn't need to be perfect, but yeah, it was a nice little break to get to paint for a while, but hopefully I'll get more work done and I can paint a little bit longer next week. So thank you for sticking around. Bye.